All right. Welcome back. And now we are going to continue with the part two of Hotel New York. We are designing and developing a very responsive, simple website of 3 pages. Earlier, we have just completed working on a logo, though we don't have logo. I just wrote Hotel New York on place of logo and created three navigation bars, and we put a showcase of the inside of the hotel with some contents. This is with A H1 and H2, and this is P tag, and there will be a button where someone clicks and it will take us to the content of about the hotel. Okay, still we don't have anything here, but we will develop it step by step, and we will complete from beginning to end. Okay, now let's make it smaller so that we can see both the window. We are working with a code editor, and this is Visual uh, Studio Code, and here is our HTML. What we have done so far, you can check. I can show you. This is our HTML. Okay, all right. And what now we are going to do is going to be working on this contents. Okay, let's go to CSS, and actually if you want you can give it 150 or 170, that doesn't matter actually, but I want to keep 140 pixel. Okay, and padding top is 140. You can put 150 or 170. Then I'll go with showcase, and I'll take the class showcase content. Okay, and I'm going to work on h1 and okay, h1 I want to make it bigger. Okay, uh, and we are selecting h1, and to be specific, I pick up showcase ID, then showcase content class, then the h1. Okay, now go to I'm taking font size should be, it's not actually font, it's font size. Okay, and I guess 55 is fine. Let's check. Yeah, it's now bigger. Welcome to Hotel New York, USA. Even you can make it a little bigger. 60. Okay, and it will be a little bigger. Welcome to, where is welcome to? Let's check. Welcome to should be separated. Okay, excuse me. So Let's go back and make it separate. Welcome to, where is welcome to? Welcome right here. After span, we have to put little space and it will make it welcome to. Now separate it. Okay. Uh, Save it. Go to index.css and I want line height 1.3 em or rem, whatever. Now you can see it has become little space. It has more space now than earlier. Excuse me. Now let's go back and I will take some more CSS. Okay, I'm going to make a little change here with the color of welcome. So what I can do, I can go to maybe after container, okay, and just say uh, text primary. Now it's a class. I can show you where it is. Text primary. Okay. Just we take welcome into span, and actually we want to uh, give a little different color to Hotel New York. Maybe we can make it this color. Okay, I think it is red or crimson, whatever. uh, let's go and I'll give it color, maybe gold. Let's see how does it look. Yeah, it's really good, I think, but you can use also crimson. Yeah, welcome. Okay, same, I think. I think gold color looks better here. Gold, yes. And also we put the same color to enjoy your trip. Maybe we can put enjoy your trip to same color. So to do it, what we can do, enjoy your trip. I just copy and cut and put enjoy your trip, right? Actually it doesn't look good, so I want to change it to different color, maybe red, or maybe green. Let's see, yellow green, how does it look like? Welcome, I think it's better, but green doesn't look good. Or I can put orange, oranged, oranged. Yes, I love this. Okay, and I also make this H2 a little bigger and a little smaller than H1. So what I can do, I can just copy this. I just press Shift Alt then down arrow, and what I can do, I can make two H2, then make it maybe 40. I think it's look much better. Let's check. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And I'm not sure whether it will look good if I put different color here. However, it's not bad. I think it's looks much better than before. And I want also this font size to be a little bigger. Uh, this is by default, I think 16 pixel, but I want it to be 25 pixel. Okay, to do it, let me make it smaller. What I can do, I have to look at the class, I think p tag lead text. Okay, it's a class, so I'll go and take p texts. Actually, it will not work. I'll take the class lead excuse me, text as a selector. Then I will say font size to be 20 pixel. It has become a little bigger, but I can make it, I think, 24 pixel. Yeah, much better. All right. Then what I want to do is I want to push learn more button little down from this p tag, okay, from this content. So what I can do, I just go to showcase content. What I can do, I can just copy it, and I'll take p, then I'll just say padding. I'll give padding. It should be bottom, right? Padding bottom, because we want right bottom, little more space. Padding bottom, and I'll say 20 pixel. All right, very good. And I one little line height here. Line height. Line height. I can say 1.67 or 8 em or rem, whatever. Okay, fantastic. Let's see now. All right. Actually, we can change the color because it is white. Maybe we can make it black, or but it doesn't look bad either. Excuse me. Now we want to work on this button, so I will go to utility. What is utility classes, and I will go just down to text primary, and I will choose the class btn. I think you remember we gave a class to our button as btn, and I'll say display. It should be inline block, then font size, font size, font size will be uh, 20 is okay, 18, 20, maybe 20 is fine, or 21. I'll give a little bigger. 21, yes, looks good. And color should be, text color should be white. White is FFF. What about this? Not bad, but I want to try with FFF. White, okay, no problem. We can work on it. Then background color. Background color should be 333. Okay, and padding, I want to keep like 12 to top and bottom, and 21 to left and right. Wonderful. And border, I can put border 1 pixel, solid gold. All right, and border radius, I can say 10 pixel. Wonderful. Then when I come here, it's showing the pointer, right? So I don't need to say cursor pointer because it's working fine. Then what I can do is when I hover over my mouse, I can uh, make the background to different color. So what I can do, I can just say btn dot btn hover, we call it pseudo selector, color should be crimson, and background color could be white. It can be actually anything, right? Or you can say gray. All right. Now we want to make two sections just below this showcase. One will be the picture of the hotel on the left, and the history of the hotel will be on the right side. So to do it, what I have to do is I have to go just below the header, so I can say uh, header ends here, and what I can do, I can create a section here and just say section, and inside the section there will be mm, there will be a div with a class, and name of the class will be info image, because there will be image on the left. Okay, and I just can uh, create another div another div with a class uh, info contents, because I want to give information on our hotel New York. Okay, and inside the info content there will be a headline, the history of our hotel maybe, and I can say H2, and there will be a class, let's say text primary. Okay, and usually I want to span what I can do, I can say span inside a span there will be a class. Okay, and everyone span, it should span, and inside the span I want the history of hotel New York. All right, and then what I can do, I can put some description about the hotel. So there will be p tag, and I can say lorem ipsum maybe 25. All right, and if we check our website, we can see the history of New York, since we didn't put yet the picture, it's not yet visible. Okay, and I want a button which will say read more. Okay, so I'll go and take anchor tag, and it will take to about .html, and I'll say mm, and I'll say it's a class with btn, so that we don't need to work on btn again and again. It will look like the same um, button we uh, styled before. Okay, so what I can do, maybe put extra class. I can say btn light, but not necessary, and I just say read more. All right, and if you scroll down, you can see the same button is here. Okay, if you change this one, it will change because this is inheriting uh, from the first button, because we are giving the same class to each and every button whatever we are using in the website. Okay. Okay, if we go to our website, we see still we don't have the picture here. So what we can do, we will go to our HTML, and mm, inside this info image, look at the class info image, info content. Okay, now we can work on CSS. Just I'll go here, maybe I can work a little more on btn, but we can do it later also. Then I'll just say home info. Okay, then mm, we have id home info, and we can say height. Height can be 350. I think 400 pixel is good. uh, okay. Excuse me. Then I'll take the same ID, just copy it. You can jot down also. Then I'll take info image. It's a class, so it will be dot info image, and I will float it to the left because picture will be on the left side, and width will be 50%, 50% for the content and 50% for the photo. And I'll say background will be with photo background, and we are using URL, and inside the URL we have to go to outside of the CSS. So we are going to different folder, so we have to use two dots, dot dot, then images, I think images, then we will be using hotel 2. Okay, and just let's check now. It's not working. Why? I don't know. I think it should be working. Okay, whatever, let's check. Excuse me. So what we can do, still we have to work a little more here, and we will say no repeat, and minimum height should be 100%. No, it should be working. Let's see. Not yet. All right, info. Let's check whether it's working. Yes, it is. But I don't think we are getting the exact picture. Actually, what picture it is? I didn't check it. Okay. Anyway, it's working. Then I will take the selector as home dash info and info dash content. All right, and I'll say float. It will be float to the right. Okay, then width, obviously 50%. Okay, then height will be 100%, the same way we did for the image. And text align will be center, padding will be 50%, 50 pixel, top and bottom, and 30 pixel left and right. Okay, then let's say overflow will be hidden, and we can check how does look like now. All right, we can push a little down and make it however and whatever we want. Okay, we want it to be a little dark, and the color of the text we want to be white, right? So what we can do, we can go to again to utility classes after btn. What we can take is bg, means background dark. We have a class and just say background color, or background we can say 333, and color is FFF right here. And if we check, fantastic. Excuse me. Okay, what we can do, we can maybe push it a little down, but one thing we can do is if we put a little more content, it will automatically um, push this button down and it will look much better. So what I can do, lorem option, here I can put a little more lorem option, maybe 25 more, and if I save it, definitely it's look better. Now what I need to do is I have to push a little more down this button so that it looks much better. So to do it I have to go to uh, down and just take this selector. I'll just copy it, and I have to specify, and to do it I have to choose P, and I'll just say padding bottom, top right bottom, maybe 35 pixel. That's fine, but 30 will be okay, I think. So what I can do, or rather I can make it 30. Perfect. Maybe 25 is okay, but it's not bad. All right. And below this two, we will have some features, maybe three features. Um, so what we can do, this is home info, right? So I can say home info ends, and then I can start another new section, and it will come with features, and it will come with ID. I'll say features tab, and inside the section there will be three divs because there will be three features, and we can create three divs with class box. Okay, and just we can say into three, we want to create three boxes. Okay, then just press enter and it will automatically be created three divs. And inside the one div, what we want is maybe we'll say nice location, or we can say amazing location, and inside the location, or we can just put some content, maybe lorem, we want 15 words maybe. All right, and we can use the same contents for the time being um, into the two other deeps, okay, to save our time. And let's proceed, and That's it. Now it's looked like this, but we have to work with our CSS. Okay. All right. We have to just change the headings to maybe free breakfasts and meals, and another one is mm, free fitness facilities. All right. Now, what do we have to? We have to work with CSS. We will be using some uh, we'll be using some icons, and icons we can get from font awesome mm, fontawesome.com. Then just click on start for free, and we will get some I think link here. It's not showing why, I don't know, but it should be here. Mm, enter your email to create your first kit. Okay, then send kit to code. Email already taken. Maybe we can use different email. Coding and testing daily. Coding and testing daily @gmail.com. Check your email. Google.com, and I can check maybe here. Font awesome. Click confirm your email and set things up. Let me hide my password, okay? Password, set password and continue. Update my password. Got it. Let's get to know you better. Come on. It's too much. Just click all set after I put my name and information they want. Copy the kit code, okay, and so I click here, copy, and go back to my code editor, and just before our link we can paste here, and we can just use the font awesome using its actually using its classes. Like if I click on hotel, sorry, I search hotel, it will show us some hotel. You see, these are pro, means you have to pay if you want to use it, maybe $50 per year. But this one is free, so you can use this one. Just click here, and we see there are two classes. I class Font Awesome and Font Awesome Hotel. Okay, so when we will use it, it automatically um, copied. Now you can use different actually sizes, and you can use different sizes. But let me copy it. I'll go to my CSS. Actually, not going to CS. I'm going to HTML, index.html, and just give right here inside the div. I just mm, give the class, okay, right here. And if you now save it, okay, then go to what is our hotel, uh, and you will find there is now a little icon here, okay, but you can make it as much big as you want. How we can do it? If you just go and uh, give a class here, if a dash 3x, it will be 3 times bigger. Now if you go and check, you see it has become bigger. Now if you want 5 times bigger, you can also can make it 5 times bigger. Okay. Excuse me. But 3 times is I think fine. Now just you can copy it, you can use the same icon again and again if you want, but if you want to use different icons, just change different class, and it will change different icons, right? So what I can do, instead of hotel, I can use maybe utensils utensils, and it will give you utensils. If you check now, you will get, you see, and I didn't change it, so I can change it. Maybe instead of hotel, I can change it to dumbbells, maybe. I, I'm not sure. Dumbbells, let's see. It didn't come, I don't know. Dumbbell or dumbbells, no. Okay, I forgot, I have to check it. Okay, just a minute please. I think it is dumb then bill, so it will be double L. I think it is already here. Yeah. Okay, fine. Now what we have to do is we have to work on CSS. First, we have to choose the class of this. Three divs and classes are box. Then we have to float them to the left, and we have to give them width, padding, and text align should be center. Okay, let's go to CSS and just I'll say it's a features section. Okay, and I'll say I'll take box class as a selector, then say floats to the left. Okay, so it will not work, but of course it will work when we will give it width. Width will be 33.3%. Okay, uh, out of 100 we have to divide into uh, same three widths for three sections, right? Then we have to give it padding. It can be 40, or even you can give 50 pixel. Since we have given border box sizing, I guess at the very beginning, box sizing border box, so the padding will not take extra space. Mm, so we don't need to be worried about it actually. Where is it? Oh my goodness, where we did it. Feature section will go at the end. Let's take it to the end. Okay, terrific. Though it doesn't look good, we can say text align center. Okay, let's look at it. Very good. It looks like now professional. Then what we can do, we can make it, maybe we can push a little down. Box. We can give a little padding. Mm, let's see. Uh, mhm. Then what we can do, we can um, give a little room here, maybe a little extra space in between this headline and the icons. So what we can do, we can choose class box, then I, then just say margin bottom, 10 pixel. It can be 12 pixel also. Looks better. All right, and if we want, we can also give a little border, and we can give a little shade here. So how can we do it? Let's see. We can say box and background or background color, we can say a little gray, and yeah, it looks better, I think. And I'll say mm, border maybe 1 pixel, 1 pixel, solid gold, and if we want we can also make it excuse me, border radius maybe 5 pixel, right? If we give 10 pixel, let's see what happens. And if we want, even we can put margin on top. Let's see. And margin top 10 pixel. All right. And we can do the same for this part, but it's not necessary, but we can do it. Okay, if you want. Now what we are going to do, we are going to develop the footer of our website. Now let's work on our footer of our website. So I'll go to index.html and go a little down and just I'll say info section ends, and I'll just go with footer, and inside the footer I will use p tag, and I'll say Hotel New York, copy, right, and I'll say 2019. Actually, I'll say 2019, and all right, reserved. Let's see how does it look like. Okay. I think it's fine. All right, here, but we have to work with CSS. Okay, to work on our CSS on this footer, we need maybe an ID, or we can say ID. We can work with class also, and you can say footer, okay, or you can say main footer or whatever. Then just go to CSS and footer, you can say text align should be center always, then background, I'll keep gray. Background color, you can give anything actually. You can put this gray a little light, or you can put anything you want actually. Then color should be you can put anything. You can say white. White is hash 444. Oh, sorry, has FFF. You can say has FFF. You don't need to remember it actually. While keep coding, it will automatically goes to your heart and head, and you can use it very fluently. And then I'll keep padding maybe 25 pixel or 20. All right, and now we can check how does our hotel look like. Still it's not working way, we floated all these three dips. When you float dips, then you have to also clear it. So to clear the float, what do you have to do? You have to go and create a div in between section and footer. What you can do, you can just create a div with a class clear. Okay, and you don't need to put any content. Just um, save it, then go to CSS and go to the utility class. Okay, where is utility class? Utility class. I think this one. Yeah, utility classes. Just come here, and what you can do, you can use the class clear. Sorry, clear. Then just uh, clear both, and you will see now it's working. Yes. And what you can do, maybe you can make it a little down, or you can put a different background. Mm, let's see what we can do. I can say maybe border radius 20 pixel and margin top 15 pixel. All right. Okay. So I will push it little down. I'll keep margin maybe 15%. Okay, let's go and check. Where is it? The box, feature section. Hmm, let's see, border radius. 20%, 20 pixel, and margin top 15%. Sorry, 15 pixel. And now definitely, actually, we are working on it. Yeah. Now I want also here some margin. This is where, let's go in the showcase section. Showcase content, showcase. Mm, let's say margin top 15 pixel and border radius 10%, 10 pixel. It didn't work. Why? Let's check. Maybe I didn't save it. No. Mm, let's check. It's actually, we are working on showcase content. I think not the showcase. It should be here. Come on, let's check very quickly. The HTML. Where is it? Section features. Uh, it should be home info. Okay, and or we can also work with actually home info. So we can work with home info. Where is home info? We can home info. Yes, now it's working. See, even if you want some margin here, we can do it, but it's not necessary, I think. And if we want to work on it a little more, we can work, you know, you can keep on working and improving the website, but it totally depends how you want to your website look like, right? Okay, That's all for today, and see you in the next episode with some other website. Thank you. Before we end, let's actually we didn't complete yet. We have to work on about, and also we have to work on contact. Okay, so in the next episode, we will be working on about page and contact page. Okay, see you in the next lecture. uh, Maybe we will make another video for it, and another video for contact. Okay, thank you very much.